Hello friends, welcome you all to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you that how I have added the Slumguard to my new bullet standard black 350 bike. So in this video I'm going to show you the full process of how to attach it. So here we can see that I have bought the original accessory from the Royal Enfield showroom, and actually I was went to the one mechanic, the local mechanic, because my friend bought it the original accessory from the showroom, and I don't have any time to go and visit that showroom to add this accessory to my bike. So I went to the one mechanic, and in this video I'm going to show you that how this mechanic has attached all this Slumguard to my new bullet. You can see that the original accessory is there, all the nuts, all the equipment are there. So hey guys, please watch this video full and try to understand that how we can attach this Slumguard to our bike. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and please hit the bell icon so you can get such kind of videos regularly. So enjoy and watch at the end of the video.